Hey everyone, and welcome to Capital Jeep. My name is Natasha, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2017 Jeep Patriot Sport in black clear coat. So you have your headlights, running lights, and fog lights. Under the hood is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Coming around to the sides, currently sitting on 17-inch rims. We have our badges and your heated exterior mirrors. Opening up the door, you have some storage in the doors, your windows locks. Then we have this black leather seating throughout with a power adjustable seat for the driver and a sunroof up top. Taking a look in the back, we have a bit of storage in the door, your windows, your back bench. It is a rear 60/40 split, so it easily just folds down to give you access to the back cargo. Opening at the back, lots of storage throughout. This section does lift up, lifts up into your spare tire. Some room for some storage over here. We just have our wheel locks. Taking a look at the other side, storage in the doors, your windows. This section is the 60, so we just pull on this lever here and it should fold down for us. So it gives you plenty of space in case you have some extra cargo. Then you have your 2 cup holders down below. And then on the passenger side here, got some storage in the door, your windows and locks, your manually adjustable seat, and the glove compartment. I'm going to grab the key to show you the rest inside. So here's our key. We have our unlock, lock, and panic button. I'm just going to start it up. So you have some steering wheel mounted controls. We have our cruise control options and then step and reset. Our step and reset allow us to go through our dash. So we have our trip A, trip B, the outside temperature, and the kilometers. So there's 10,710 kilometers on this. Lots of life left, but if you want to make sure you're fully covered, do speak to your financial advisor about purchasing extended warranties. Then we have our center. So we have our volume, tuner, our CD player, voice recognition phone. We have our satellite aux presets that we can do. Then we have our climate controls. And then the driver and passenger have heated seats. We have traction control off and our hazards, 12 volt DC. Then we have our 2 cup holders, and this section lifts up here or slides for some hidden storage. And then up top is our sunroof, and our controls are just above. Alright, so that's my video on this 2017 Jeep Patriot Sport in black clear coat. If you want to check it out for yourself, we're at 1311 101st Street, Southwest Edmonton. Hope to see you soon at Capital Jeep.